Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. In our previous video, we have seen about confidence limit, minimum, maximum, range, mean, median. Today, let us see how to code them using Python. Let us get into the video. Consider this code snippet. So let us see what is the basic required packages to be imported. Import statistics. From scipy.stats, import t. In stats, we have ztable, table like that. To use table, we import t. From scipy.stats, import sem. Already we have seen what is sem. SEM is standard error of mean. Import numpy as np. We have imported numpy array as np. X equal to np dot array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we create an array for the variable x. M equal to mean of the array, mean of x. Then S equal to standard error of mean for the given array x. Next, degree of freedom. It is length minus 1. Sample size minus 1 is degree of freedom. Next, the confidence level is 0.95, which is 95%. So, confidence interval. T dot interval. T table interval is to find the interval of the confidence level. Interval of confidence, comma, degree of freedom, comma, LOC equal to M, comma, scale equal to S. We have printed the confidence interval. Next, we have found the minimum of x. So, for the x values, we have found the minimum. Next, we have found the maximum of x. Then we have found a range. Range is maximum minus minimum. Maximum of x minus minimum of x. Next comes median. From statistics package, we take median. So, statistics.median of x. So, we find the median of the data x. Now, let us execute this. Now, the confidence interval is from 1.63 to 4.96. So, 95% of data is going to occur between this interval only. When the value is lower than this interval, then we tell it as lower confidence limit. Okay. And when it is higher than this limit, we tell it as higher confidence limit. That is upper confidence limit. The minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 5. Range is a maximum minus minimum, which is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Median is a center value. Here 3 is the center. But what if we add 6 to this array, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Median will become 3.5. Okay. This is 5 because the center value is neither 3 nor 5. So 3 plus 4 is 4 divided by 2 is 3.5, which is median. As we add 6 to the array, the interval is getting changed to 1.5 to 5.4. According to the values in the data set, these output may change. These are the basic example for confidence interval, minimum, maximum, range, median using Python. In our next video, let us talk about some more statistic concepts and their Python implementation. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.